Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach how to draw Isabelle from Fortnite. If you're new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw her hair across her forehead with a line downwards. Turn it sideways to the right, turn it upwards, sharp turn downwards and slightly to the right, across to the right, turn it upwards, sharp turn downwards to the right, across to the right with a curved line, and turn it upwards on the right corner. Above that line across, I'm going to draw some curved lines upwards, like that. And on the left side of her hair, I'm going to extend the line upwards, sharp turn diagonally downwards to the left with a curved line. Below that ending point, I'm going to draw a line downwards, turn it sideways to the right. Repeat that same set of line again on the right corner at this upper point, and at the ending point on the right, I'm going to draw the frame of the glasses with a circular shape. I'm going to mirror the whole thing on the right side of her face. At the ending point on the right, diagonal curve line upwards to the left. In between the frames, I'm going to draw an arch curve line in the middle point. Above the frame, off center to the left of her forehead, I'm going to draw a short line downwards for her eyebrow, curve line across to the left and diagonally upwards, curve line across to the left. Repeat that same set of curve line for the upper line of her eyebrow. And for her eye, inside of the glasses at the upper corner, I'm going to draw a curved line upwards at the inner corner of her eye, turn it across to the left, flare it upwards at the outer corner of her eye. For the lower line of her eye, I'm going to draw a curved line across from the inner corner, turn it diagonally up at the outer corner of her eye. Inside of her eye, I'm going to draw her pupil with a circular shape in the middle point and a black circle in the middle point. Mirror the whole eye shape on the right side. Below the glasses in the middle point, I'm going to draw the tip of her nose with a U curve line across right there and curve line downwards on both sides of that. Below the nose, I'm going to draw her mouth with curve line across from the left corner to the right and slightly upwards on both corners. From the left corner of her mouth, I'm going to draw her upper lips with diagonal curve line across to the right and slightly upwards. Turn it downwards in the middle of her lips. Mirror the same shape of the upper lips on the right side. For the lower lips, I'm going to take the same left corner of the mouth and draw a diagonal curve line across to the right, downwards, curve line across in the middle point, turn it back diagonally upwards on the right side of her mouth. Now for her face shape, from the side of her face on the left, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards and slightly to the right, semicircular turn to the right diagonally to her chin, curved line across on her chin to the right, turn it back diagonally upwards on the right side of her face, and semicircular turn back upwards on the right side of her face. At the outer corner of her face, I'm going to draw her ear with a small arch curve line out to the outer corner, turn it downwards and turn it diagonally inwards to the side of her face. Above the ear, I'm going to draw a curved line up, turn it diagonally to the middle point and upwards. Repeat the same set of shape for the right side of her ear right there. For the ribbon on the right side of her head, above that ending point, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally up to the left, semicircular turn downwards and slightly to the right, curved line across to the right. Below that shape, a line downwards, sideways to the left and turn it upwards. Above that whole thing, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally out to the right, turn it diagonally up to the left, and semicircle turn downwards. Below that ending point, diagonal curved line across to the right and downwards. Below the ribbon, I'm going to extend the line from the bottom upwards to the ribbon. And on the left side, I'm going to draw an arch curved line across for the top of her head to the left. Turn it downwards on the left corner, flare it back outwards with curved line, turn it back inwards, semicircle turn back out, turn it downwards, and turn it slightly to the right, and flare it back out to the left. Sharp turn upwards on the right corner with diagonal curved line. Below her head, I'm going to draw her neck on the left with a short line downwards, and another line downwards on the right side all the way to her collar. And from the left side, I'm going to draw a curved line across to the right, and in the middle of her necklace, I'm going to draw an oval shape right there and another oval shape inside of that. Continue the line of her necklace across on the right side, and I'm going to copy the same curved line across for the lower line of the necklace at that corner. Below that, I'm going to draw a collar with curved line diagonally up to the left and to the left side of her neck, and another similar curved line below that at that corner. Turn it downwards and slightly to the left on the left corner and on the right ending point. A V shape across to the right in the middle of a collar. Turn it across to the right and upwards, semicircle turn up and to the left. Below that, on the right corner, curved line downwards, turn it to the left, sharp turn diagonally up to the left. On the left side of that shape, I'm going to draw a curved line across to the collar on the left right there. On the left side of the collar, I'm going to draw a curved line out to the left and slightly downwards, across to the left, semicircle turn downwards at the side of her shoulder, turn it downwards. For her right shoulder, I'm going to draw a curved line out to the right and slightly down, semicircle turn downwards at that point. Below that ending point, curved line diagonally out to the right and downwards, semicircle turn downwards at that corner. Turn it inwards and curved line downwards at that point. And at the side of that shape, I'm going to draw a line upwards to the right, sideways to the right, turn it slightly downwards and diagonally to the right, turn it downwards at that corner and slightly to the left. Now for her left shoulder, I'm going to draw at the upper point a curved line downwards, turn it slightly out to the left, and at that ending point slightly above on the left, I'm going to draw a curved line downwards for the inner line of her arm, and below that a curved line across to the right and to her wrist, semicircle turn diagonally up to the right at that corner, turn it across to the right and semicircle turn downwards, turn it back to the left. Below that ending point, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards to the right, across, turn it slightly up to the right, semicircle turn downwards and to the left. Turn it across to the left at that corner. Below that finger, I'm going to repeat the same shape of the finger again, right there, and below that, diagonal line downwards to the left, across to the left at that point, curved line across to the outer corner of her wrist. Above that hand, I'm going to draw her right finger with curved line diagonally up to the left, across to the left at that corner, semicircle turn downwards. Above that whole thing on the right corner, curved line up, semicircle turn diagonally up to the left, across to the left, semicircle turn downwards at that corner. Above that finger on the right, I'm going to draw a small arch curved line for her thumb at that corner. Now for the outer line of her left arm, I'm gonna extend the line on the left downwards to her elbow point. Semicircle turn on her elbow point to the right. Curve line across to the right and slightly downwards. Inside of her arm, I'm gonna draw the edge of her sleeve slightly to the right of her elbow with curve line upwards at that point. And on the left side of that, another similar curve line at that corner. And on the left side of that curve line, in the middle point, I'm going to draw a line across to the left, semicircle turn upwards, turn it diagonally out to the left. At the inner corner of her left arm, I'm going to draw her left waist with diagonal curve line downwards at that point to the right. Now for her hair on the right side, below the ear, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards and flare it slightly out to the right. Semicircle turn diagonally downwards to the left. And at that ending point, slightly above, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards. Semicircle turn diagonally to the left. Below a collar in the middle point, I'm going to draw a curve line diagonally down to the right. Semicircle turn downwards and slightly to the left. Curve line downwards and slightly to the right. On the right side of that set of line, I'm going to draw some circular shape from the top all the way downwards. And on the left side of that, at the upper point, I'm going to draw her badge with a circular shape at that corner, right there. Now for her book, I'm going to draw from the upper right corner a line downwards and slightly to the left. And on the right side of that line, I'm going to draw at the upper corner a line diagonally down to the right at this upper point. Copy that same line again downwards and another one right there, and below that another two similar lines. Now for the lower half of her outfit, below the sleeve, I'm going to draw a curved line diagonally downwards to the left, turn it downwards and sideways to the right. On the right side of that, at the upper corner, below the arms, I'm going to draw a similar diagonal line down and to the left, semicircle turn downwards to that ending point, extend it slightly down, curve line across to the right. Repeat that same set of line again on the right corner. And another one right there. And another one all the way to the right side. And on the right corner, I'm going to turn it upwards with curve line. And below her hand on the right, curve line diagonally out to the right, semicircle turn downwards, flare it out to the right, and curve line across to the left. Below her skirt, I'm going to draw her legs from the left corner, curve line downwards diagonally to the right, turn it downwards. Below that, I'm going to draw another set of curve line, flare it slightly out and turn it back inwards towards her ankle point. For the inner line of that leg, I'm going to draw a curved line on the right corner, downwards and slightly inwards to her knee point, and turn it inwards below the knee point. And below the knee point, another curved line downwards, flare it slightly out and turn it inwards towards her ankle point. For her shoe, I'm going to draw a curved line across at the ending point below, semicircle turn downwards on both sides, and below that I'm going to draw an arch curve line across and another similar arch curve line below that, a line downwards on both ending points at the side. From the side of her shoe, I'm going to draw a short line out at this upper corner, turn it downwards, flare it out to the outer corner, semicircle turn diagonally in to the right, and mirror that same set of line on the right corner right here, curve line across in the middle of her shoe. I'm gonna repeat the same set of line for the base of the shoe at this lower point. right there. And inside of the shoe, from the left corner, curve line downwards, same turn to the right, same turn back upwards on the right corner. Above her knee, I'm going to draw the top of her socks with curve line across at that corner. And below that, I'm going to draw some similar curve line across. Right there. And another 2 curve line across below that. Now for her right leg, I'm going to draw a curve line downwards on the right corner, slightly to the left. Same as a turn to the left on her knee. And below that, diagonal line downwards to the left. Now I'm going to copy the same pattern of the socks on the right leg right there. On the left side of her left leg, I'm going to continue the outer line of her right leg with diagonal line downwards at this lower point, same as turn downwards. Below that ending point, I'm going to draw a curve line across, same as turn downwards on both sides, curve line across below that from the right to the left and extend it out. Repeat that same curve line again at this lower point. On the right corner from the top, curve line diagonally downwards to the right there. And for the back part of her right leg, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards from the side of her left calf to the left right there. Same as you could turn diagonally to the right at that corner. At the back of the shoe, I'm going to draw a diagonal curve line downwards to the left and to the heels. Curve line across to the right and slightly downwards. And at that ending point, I'm going to draw a diagonal line downwards to the right, same as turn across to the right. Inside of the shoe, above the base, I'm going to draw at the back a curve line across to the right, turn it diagonally down to the right, curve line across to the right. Inside of the shoe, at the side, I'm going to draw a line diagonally downwards at that corner, and below that, curve line diagonally down to the right, same as turn to the right. That's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.